Synthetic division is a shorter way of solving some division problems when you're dealing with polynomials. The important thing to remember here is that when you're using synthetic division, your factor, or the thing you're dividing by, has to be in terms of x minus c. And the number that you want to use is c. What this means is we want to change this sign and basically pull this number out. We're going to take 4 and write it out here in front. And then just make ourselves a little box here. In this box, in each row, we're going to write the coefficients of our polynomial in descending order. 2x cubed minus 10x squared plus 0x minus 5, just like you would for another division problem. We just want the coefficients 2, negative 10, 0, and negative 5. To do synthetic division, what you want to do is bring the first number down. So we're just going to write a 2 here. And now we multiply outside of this. 4 times 2 is 8. And we multiply and we put that number here. And then we add again. Negative 10 plus 8 gives you negative 2. Multiply 4 times negative 2 will give you negative 8. And we add 0 plus negative 8 will give you negative 8. Multiply again, 4 times negative 8 will give you negative 32. And then we add, and we get negative 37. When we reach the end, this number is our remainder. What we started with was 2x cubed minus 10x squared plus 0x minus 5. And when we divide, the power reduces by 1 each time. X cubed becomes x squared. X squared becomes x. X just becomes the constant, minus 8, and then the last column is our remainder. And so if we divide these two polynomials, the answer would be 2x squared minus 2x minus 8 plus negative 37 over x minus 4. So the number in front should just be the opposite of this factor. Whatever would make this 0. Let's try another example. Here we have x minus 3. We want to rewrite this as 4x cubed plus 0x squared minus 28x minus 7. And the number that we want c here is 3. And so we're going to write a 3 on the outside. On the inside, we're going to write the coefficients of our polynomial. So 4, 0, negative 28, and negative 7. Bring the first number down. 3 times 4 is 12. 0 plus 12 is 12. 3 times 12 is 36. Negative 28 plus 36, positive 8. 3 times 8 is 24. Negative 7 plus 24 would be positive 17. And so if we started with x cubed, x squared, x, and this constant, our answer is going to be 4x squared plus 12x plus 8 plus 17 over x minus 3. One final example, here we're dividing by x plus 2. So the number that we want to use now is negative 2. So we're going to write that on the outside. On the inside, we have x to the 4th plus 4x cubed plus 0x squared minus 2x plus 18. And so we're going to write that as our numbers here. 1, 4, 0, negative 2, and 18. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. 4 plus negative 2 is positive 2. Negative 2 times 2 will give you negative 4. 0 plus negative 4 will give you negative 4. Negative 2 times negative 4 will give you positive 8. Negative 2 plus 8 gives you positive 6. Negative 2 times 6, negative 12. And 18 minus 12, or 18 plus negative 12, is positive 6. And so because we started off with 4th, cubed, squared, and so on, when we divide, the answer is x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x plus 6 plus the remainder 6 divided by x plus 2.